Hello, I'm Supriya. Today I want to share my experience about the workshop called the Yoga and Volunteer Certification Program by Ayush Bharat. This ancient and most scientific technique of yoga has been revived for the masses. Yoga not only helps us to rejuvenate and tone up, but also detoxes our system. For me, it has been the best refresher on yoga. It especially helped me to go beyond my inhibition of doing an advanced asanas. For, for us all, it's the best avenue to come out of the inertia of the mind and the body that has been caused by the lockdowns. I recommend everyone to do this workshop and help themselves to be more active and healthy. Because only way to come out of this comfort zone is by coming out of it. One special mention to my mentor Narsingh Goyalji. He has been supporting and guiding us tirelessly and with lot of patience throughout the course, and his course content is really beyond the content that has been given by the Ayush Bharat. It has really helped a lot of us, and his content is very deep and very scientific. So I thank him for this opportunity and for his guidance, and really I recommend everybody to do this program. Thank you.